What's up guys, it is Eric with Lane Bully, and this is one of our first installs on our GX550 you see behind me. Apologize for the garage. Our shop is getting built right now, and then you'll start seeing install videos there. Today we're going to be doing some door sills on our Lexus. These are genuine OEM parts. They really elevate that interior. The install can't be easier. It's a great introduction to modifying your vehicle. We don't even need hand tools. We're just going to use our hands. So let's get to it. All right, so we have the passenger side in front of us. We're basically going to be removing this piece and then installing that upgraded door. So we're going to try and get our hand under that door sill and then literally just pull straight up. The factory part comes off that easy. This is what it looks like, and then we're going to be going to this connector. That is a termination connector. Basically it's just plugged, so we need to remove that, unclip it, and I'm going to fight it for freaking ever. To show you off car, this is the back side. We're basically going to just try and push up on that, and then this comes out. If you're having a hard time, you can probably grab some needle nose and like pinch it right there, and then this comes off a little bit easier. But now we can install that other part. So we have the Lexus piece. We're going to plug that connector into what we just unplugged and then snap this into place. All right, so now we're at the rear. It's basically the same thing, just a little bit different because we don't have an electrical connector. So it's gonna be a little bit easier. This one came off, and if you can actually see, no you cannot, one of the clips actually stayed in the chassis, so we're gonna have to get that out. Either some needle nose or panel popper tool to get that out. There's the blue clip that accidentally got stuck in the chassis. Panel popper tool. And it went flying. All right, so we're ready to install the upgraded Lexus unit. Big thing here, make sure this lines up with that hole in the chassis right there, and then push it down. That's how simple it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching this quick little install on our GX550. We have a lot more stuff in line for this vehicle, as well as on our website, so be sure to like and subscribe, and check out our website for more products for your GX550. Till next time.